You can exercise every day and eat well, but still be sidetracked with stretch marks, loose skin, and cellulite. That's exactly why we created Gel V and Gel V Hot. Thanks to the active ingredients, menthol, camphor, and caffeine, your skin can become smoother, firmer, and dimple-free. First, apply a spoonful of the gel to your trouble area. Massage Gel V on your skin before and after working out with V-Glove to increase absorption and smooth away unsightly lumps. Massage Gel V Hot in the same way before going to sleep, and it works while you rest. Now you can enjoy feeling confident in your own skin. Gel V and Gel V Hot, a 24/7 firming system just for you.